I am not a financial advisor. These videos are all meant for educational purposes only. All Complete Trader Academy videos are my personal opinion and perspective. Trading carries a high level of risk, and all results are your own responsibility. Please always demo first. Hey everybody, welcome back to Complete Trader Academy's daily review. Today is June 22nd, Thursday, 2023. A little under the weather here, so I'll make this video short. But we had this very consolidating bouncy day here. And we did take out the previous day low that I marked yesterday. We did that all in Asia and London coming down. So watch always for Asia, London. When I make these reviews, obviously I don't have Asia and London data, right? So when you see targets that I put up above, they might miss because I'm thinking of it the day before, number one. Number two, Asia and London hasn't happened. So, but you have been seeing Asia and London take out my bottom targets, right? So hopefully that's been helping. I don't know. I know it's helping some, but we took out to the right here in the 4 hour. We took out that low there. And then we took out liquidity a couple times before coming up. Bullish candles here, and you see this wicks and very strange price action. We had that kind of over here when we reversed, and that's generally a signal for a shift of direction, not long term, but just short term at the least. So they didn't take out this low here, and let's go into smaller time frames, and you will see here. Let me just move this over. So you see here, we came down, we took out right here liquidity. This is the line up here. This is the line I drew for taking out liquidity right there. Ran right through. So when it ran right through, I'm waking up here over here, right? You can see it come down again, and then come down one more time, right? So this is the 9:30 open right here, up here. Not doing nothing. Price comes down, boom, takes out liquidity. Doesn't take that out, and that's very common. If you've watched my videos, you'll see that we consider this a buy if it doesn't take it out, right? So sure enough, this was on a 10-second chart, which is beautiful. Let me go to there so you can see it, just so you don't think I'm crazy. All right, so we have here, before I get into that, you should look at the bodies of the candles, especially the 1 hour was giving away the story. See that? See how the bodies are constantly going up, closing above. Excuse me. Well, that was the pretense of generally everything in a way. But right here you see, come down right here, come up, come down, shift above. I would already be in it here, so into my last block right here, beautiful buy. Your second opportunity after your shift here is coming back into this block, beautiful, and bought up here. And this was taken to this area here on the 1 hour. Hopefully you're able to see this. Came right into this imbalance here, and and then took the liquidity resting right there. That was all of the technically the Asian highs. Took that, and for the reason for that is let me do it on this chart. You'll see in regular trading hours, we had that gap here. So we shot down at 9:30. We took out the liquidity for the open. All right, forget all the previous price action, but at 9:30 it went straight down to take out liquidity. And then obviously the buy here is to come up and seal that gap here in regular trading hours. That's why you need a futures chart to analyze. And then also we had the liquidity resting right there. So that was a nice end of the day, not end of the day, end of the road trade for this. And then you see our nice pattern of breaking. Came up, came down, came right back into the block here, automatic entry here. And where you taking it to? Well, either you're gonna take it to take out the liquidity below, or you want to come in and take your profit at the last block as the entry, because the algorithm will love to come back to everyone who took these entries. Sure enough, that's where it stopped. That's why I have the line drawn out, right? And you'll want to take your profit here because it'll go against you. So if at least 80% of each trade you want to leave a runner, sure, go ahead. But never came and took that liquidity. So this is an accumulation stage when you see this, right? It's accumulating, and we could see higher prices, but that was the sell there. And the buy was, now I'm not doing anything here. Could have took this buy for a nice profit, but wasn't interested in this. Next opportunity would be at 1:30 when the PM session starts, and you see here nicely. Actually, let me just go to a 30-second. What is this, a 10-second? Yeah. So right here, you'll see we have a shift of structure right there. Where does it come back to? Our favorite place to buy from. All right, and takes off. Takes off just in this just in this part of the day. So taking it to this liquidity here. I'm not worried about up here or up here. Oh, I left that there for the class. Let me delete that. And that's where you want to take your profit here. You could partial here on the highs of the lunch here and here. Sure enough, went right to it and then came down. Kind of crazy. I was done. I wasn't even paying attention here. I was sleeping actually. I'm sick. And yeah, that's ended up the day here. So with the day opening, closing here, I have a strong feeling that we might keep going up. We might come into this daily imbalance. Let me go to a higher time frame. I think we might come into this. We have news tomorrow. We have a lot of news actually. And we have Euro news and London, and then we have news again. Tomorrow's Friday, so I don't know. I have a feeling that it's gonna push up, because now at this point we got a lot of lower highs here, right? A lot of liquidity here built. So it doesn't make sense for them to come down without kind of taking that, even though they position themselves well. I just have a feeling that we're gonna tap into here. This kind of shows me that. Not taking out this. Can it sink from here? Sure, it can do whatever it wants. But I'm not gonna fight it either. But I have a strong feeling they're gonna come back into here. You know, and balance that with taking liquidity on the way up, and then we'll look for a leg down. Obviously, we have the rates. Feds was talking today that we have 2 more rate hikes this year. So we should expect down. We should expect our price to be coming down here, right? But they're holding for dear life as usual, just like they did, you know, all in the past price action, right? So we'll see. I don't know. I think Friday's going to be I think it's going to tag this. So if not, you know where the below targets are, obviously, right? Top target, you know where my top target is. So, all right. Hope this helps. You guys take care. And let me see. Well, dollar. And yeah, dollar was coming up, and hit that imbalance like there we were discussing in some previous videos. Tap that, bounce all the way up right here, and we'll see what dollar does. I mean, if dollar kind of retraces back down underneath this, definitely we're going to be tagging that daily imbalance. If this keeps going up, then we'll fall short of it. So, all right. Hope this helps. Take care. God bless.